Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEPS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. Our today's topic is algebra. In our class we shall solve a CQ number 12. Which is your H.W. also. Dear student, today is our lecture number 40 of annual term and today's H.W. number will be 39. So let us start our class. Dear student, at first we read the question. Here 12 number question. If 3 is added with the numerator of a fraction, it will be 1. Again, if 2 is added with the denominator, it will be half. That means 1 by 2. Question number A. Establish the system of equation considering the fraction x by y. Here given the fraction is x by y. By using this fraction we shall solve this question number A and we make two equation. Question number B. Find the fraction. That means we give two equation from this equation and we solve that fraction. Question number C. Solve that equation with the help of graph. Solve the equation with the help of graph. That means we solve the equation which we obtained in equation number 1 by using this graph. So let us start our class. First of all, establish the system of equation considering the fraction x by y. That means here numerator is x and denominator is y. Dear student, if 3 is added with numerator, that means if I add x plus 3, then x plus 3 divided by y equal to 1. Okay, so let us start. First of all, question number A. Given that fraction is x by y according to the first condition. First condition. If 3 is added with the numerator of the fraction, that means x plus 3, y is unchanged, it will be 1. Now we use here cross multiplication method. X plus 3 equal to y. It is equation number 1. I hope you have understood. Next we shall find the equation number 2. How can? Again, if 2 is added with the denominator, this time numerator will be same but denominator will be changed. Denominator will be y plus 2. Right, according to the second condition. According to the second condition. Notice x remains same and y, that means y plus 2, and it will be 1 by 2. Now we use here cross multiplication method. That means twice x, y plus 2. We multiply this x with 2 and this 1 with y plus 2. Now twice x minus 2 equal to y. This is equation number 2. Dear student, from equation number 1 and from equation number 2 we notice this is the y equal to x plus 3 and also y equal to twice x minus 2. So from 1 and 2 we can write this right hand side and this right hand side are same. Notice this left hand side same, which is y, and right hand side is same. Now we write from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. Notice this is x plus 3 and this is twice x minus 2. After that, notice x minus twice x and minus 2 is here. After the plus 3 will change its position and it will be minus 3. That means minus x equal to minus 5. So x equal to 5. We already find the value of x, which is 5, and it is the numerator. Now we find the, sorry dear student, Here you notice question number A, establish the system of equation considering the fraction x by y. That means here equation number 1 and 2, we need to find out these two equations, no need to solve. Okay, so here we write equation 1 and 2 are the system of equation. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, by using these two equation, question number 2, find the fraction. Okay, now we need to find out the fraction. So this one is done and we need to solve question number B. To solve question number B, I erase question number A. From equation A, we get x plus 3 equal to y, equation number 1, and twice x minus 2 equal to y, it is equation number 2. Now we solve. From 1 and 2 we get x plus 3 equal to twice x minus 2, but x minus twice x minus 2 minus 3. Why? Because twice x changes position and 3 also changes position. That means minus x and minus 5. How can? If we subtract x from minus twice x, then we get minus x. If I add minus 2 with minus 3, then we get minus 5. Multiply both sides by minus 1 and we get equal to 5. This is the value of x. After that, we put the value of x in any of this equation. Now we put the value of x in equation 1. Then we get 5 plus 3 equal to y. That means y equal to 8. And it is the value of y. I hope you have understood. My dear students, find the fraction. Fraction was x by y. So we need to find out the fractions. Now the fraction is 5 by 8. Answer 5 by 8. I hope you have understood. Dear student, this is the solution of question number B. Find the fraction. Now my dear student, we shall solve question number C. Solve the equation with the help of graph. Here notice, this is from A we get x plus 3 equal to y and twice x minus 2 equal to y. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. From equation 1 we get y equal to x plus 3. Now construct the table below from the values of y from different values for different values of x. Now we put different values of x and we find the value of y. If we put the value of x equal to 5, then we get 8. If we put the value of x equal to 0, then we get 3. If we put the value of x equal to minus 3, then we get the value of y is 0. Now we get 3 points, 5, 8, 0, 3 and minus 3, 0. So from equation 2 we get same way y equal to twice x minus 2. Now we put the value of x and we get the value of y. If we put the value of x in this equation, we get y equal to 0. If we put the value of x equal to 5, then we get 5 to the 10 minus 2, that means 8. If we put the value of x equal to minus 2, then we get minus 6. How can minus 2 multiply 10? It will be minus 4 minus 4 minus 10, it will be minus 6. So we get here 3.1058 and minus 2 minus 6. So similar way, at first we find out the x-axis and y-axis. Now draw. Dear students, please notice, this is XO x prime and YO y prime. Here XO x prime is called x-axis and YO y prime is called y-axis. Now you notice, along x-axis and y-axis both, we take every side of a small square will be 1 unit. So now we draw the graph of equation number 1 first. That means we first plot the point 5, 8, 0, 3 and minus 3, 0 in the graph. Here you notice, at first we put the point 5, 8 in the graph, 5 and 8. Notice 5 plus sign, that means it will be this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 8 means this point. Okay, this point. I hope you have understood. Next, 0, 3. And this is 0 and 3 will be here, that means this one. After that, minus 3, 0. What will be? Minus 3, 1, 2 and 3. This is minus 3 and 0 is here. So this point, this point and this point. Now I add. The name of this graph is equation number 1's graph. After that, we draw the graph of equation number 2. Here 1, 0, 5, 8 and minus 2, minus 6. 1, 0, that means this is 1, that means this is a point. And next one is 5, 8. 5 and 8, this one. Next one is minus 2, minus 6. Minus 2 is here and minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This one. Okay, now we add. This one is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. My dear student, this is the equation, this straight line is the graph of equation number 1 and this straight line is the graph of equation number 2. These two equations intersect at a point which is 5, 8. Which is 5, 8. So this 5, 8 is the required solution of this equation. Now notice, x, x prime and y prime are x-axis and y-axis respectively, and O is the origin. Let the length of a side of the smallest square of both axes be considered a unit. That means each side equal to 1. After that, we put the points of table 1, 5, 8, 0, 3, minus 3, 0 on the graph paper. Joining the points, we get the graph of the straight line. ST, that means straight, represented by the equation number 1. Similar way, again we put the points of table 2, 1, 0, 5, 8 and minus 2, 6 on the graph paper. Joining the points, we get graph of straight line, represent the equation number 2. These two equations, that means these two straight lines intersect each other at the point 5, 8. So we see that abscissa of 5, 8 is 5 and ordinary is 8. Therefore the required solution is 5, 8. I hope you have understood this. Question number 12 will be your HW also. So you must do your assigned HW in your HW copy and submit it regularly by your guardians. My dear students, keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.